What's up, everybody? Today, putting the shelf slash curtain rod over the cab of the van. So just give us some extra storage space, but also during the whole build out back here, it gives me a way to kind of close this off. Probably won't use the curtain a lot in the final build, but it'll be nice for now. First step, Tony's reading it right now. It tells me I gotta pry these coat hooks off, and then there's a T25 screw under there I gotta undo, which makes sense because I think the mounting hardware mounts into that and like raises it up, and probably something over there. Okay, I got my T30 here, T25, whatever. Anyways, I got my T25. I'm not trying to flex with the snap-on, just some people got nice shit, that's all. Wow, these snap-ons are nice.
But you're not fully tight. It's okay.
Do you have one of those? What in the f? These snap-ons are nice.
These snap-ons are nice.
First time using a tool?
You're right.
We didn't have an 8, so we got a 5/16. They should probably throw the little dinky tool in with, like most, you know, cheap furniture. Never a good tool, but it would be kind of nice right now to at least have one. So it's in. I didn't adhesive the felt yet, but anyways, it's in. Mounting wasn't too terribly hard. A little tricky with the brackets for the curtain rod. The curtain's pretty quality, and the came with a couple different mounting options. More importantly, I'm happy with the shelf. You can see there's a ton of space up here. I can put all sorts of stuff, which right now I'm using the van as if it was the van. I'll just camp out of it to do adventures while I build it. So this gives me much needed storage option. Solid. I'm gonna link it below if you're interested, but there you go. Install number 2 of the van build is done, and we are off and rolling. So